Alessia Pacagnella and Elia Saquin, VibeFlow makers. Hey Product Hunt. We're Alessia and Elia, computer science grads from Stanford and ETH Zurich, now building VibeFlow in the YCS25 batch. The problem we lived. We love tools like Lovable, but the backends are impossible to maintain or scale. Every time something failed, we were stuck reprompting, praying, and wasting tokens. We watched users creating Frankenstein apps, stitching Lovable Plus in 8N plus Supabase just to get basic functionality. What's VibeFlow? Prompt to full stack that actually works. See and edit your backend like Figma. Visual workflows. Your backend logic is flowcharts, not black boxes. Real debugging. Fix issues visually instead of reprompting. Built-in integrations. Database and services pre-wired. One platform. No more tool juggling. How it works. Prompt your app. Build a task manager with Slack notifications. See the magic. Visual in 8N. Style workflows for all. Backend logic. Edit and deploy. Modify visually or keep prompting. Unlike Lovable, that leaves you with black box backends, VibeFlow opens up the entire stack. Try VibeFlow free. https://app.vibeflow.ai. VibeFlow.ai Discord quick demo call will help you build something cool. What do you think? We'd love your feedback. Hey Product Hunt, I'm Janet, the founder of Informed, and I'm excited to introduce you to the latest release of Informed. We built Informed to bring sanity back to your news consumption. It's your calm, intelligent audio companion that filters out the noise and delivers clear, curated news you can listen to, hands-free. What makes Informed stand out? Your AI-powered daily briefing. Begin your day with a real-time global summary. Our AI synthesizes developing stories and delivers continuous, concise updates. Curated deep dives. Create custom topics and receive curated audio reports that focus on the substance you care about. News at your pace. In a rush? Get the 30-second highlights. Have time to spare on the train? Go deep with a full analysis. You control the level of detail, not the algorithm. A voice you want to hear. Choose Trump's swagger, Taylor's warmth, Musk's wit, or even your own voice to narrate your news. Ready to cut through the clutter? Download Informed now at informed.app and let us know what you think. Cheers, the Informed team. According to Elon, the XAI Grok 2.5 model, which was our best model last year, is now open source. Grok 3 will be made open source in about 6 months. More than 800 million people use ChatGPT every week. That makes ChatGPT not only a useful tool, but one of the most important new marketing channels since social media. Findable. We are working with a lot of brands that try to figure out how ChatGPT marketing fits into their existing marketing channels and strategy. That's why we built ChatGPT Marketing.it is a simple tool that looks at your existing websites, YouTube, Reddit, social media activity, ad campaigns, ideal customer profile, and your ChatGPT presence. Then it runs the same analysis on your key competitors. Based on this, you get a full report on how to best align your existing marketing channels with ChatGPT. We put a lot of work into this and are more than happy that we can finally share ChatGPT marketing with all of you. Sign-in is free and only takes a few seconds. Report generation takes a few minutes as there is a lot of data crunching involved, but we think the full report is worth the wait. Have a great weekend, everyone. Hey, I'm Matt. I built Pixxel because I wanted a lightweight, super simple, browser-based screenshot tool. No heavy apps, just open in Chrome, Snap, Style, and SharePoint. One of my favorite tools is Screen Studio, so I used it as inspiration while keeping the focus on simplicity and a minimal editor. Give it a try. Hope you like it. Hello, I'm Jackie, the founder of KiForm. The origin of this business is kind of funny. Back when I ran a web design agency, a spa owner filled out our online form and asked, "Are you still in business? Love your work, but the contrast between your website and your form is throwing me off. It's like eating at a luxury restaurant and then eating at McDonald's the next day." That comment made me think, does ugly, off-brand forms hurt a business? So, I ran an experiment. A local coffee shop let me test 2 forms, one built in Google Forms and one with an early version of KiForm. The results were clear. Customers are 24% more likely to complete the KiForm version compared to Google.so. I decided to create a better prototype of KiForm, and now we're here to give KiForm a try. We're not a big company, just one guy that created a solution that works. TDEL, there's an AI to detect San Francisco's performative males, defined as a performative male is a man that dresses for the female gaze, projecting feminine energy to get women, said attendees AJ and Malia. They're probably from LA because they ran through all the women there. A performative male is not performing masculinity, but rather performing femininity to manipulate women into thinking they aren't like other guys. They drink matcha or are a coffee snob. They collect analog media like vinyl, CDs, or cassettes, and they wear thrifted cardigans. You can find them at your local small coffee shop, virtue signaling with their choice of feminist literature. Is that Jane Austen or Jane Eyre? They are hyper-trendy and yet don't claim their 8+ hour screen time. And they've become the internet's newest punching bag. And now there's AI to detect performative males, PerformaMeter, and a song about them. Hi everyone. I'm Arif Hossein, founder of RetroUI. If you've been on the internet for a while, you probably know how all the websites used to just look like Bootstrap, and now every website looks like Shag. That's why I built RetroUI, a React-based UI component library designed to help you stand out. It has a strong visual identity and opinionated design system. The goal is to be the go-to resource for building neo-brutalist websites out of the box. No heavy customization needed. What you'll get: premium blocks, templates, Figma UI kit, lifetime future updates. Check it out, http://pro.retro. Dev would love to hear your feedback. We built Creed because we kept seeing people turn to AI for guidance. But nearly every tool out there is built on values from Silicon Valley, not the church. For young Christians, our earliest community, that gap really matters. Creed is a Bible-first AI companion. You can read scripture, ask questions, and get guidance rooted in Christian values. Think of it like Duolingo for the Bible: fun, approachable, but also deeply grounded. Our goal isn't to replace real community or pastors, but to help people, especially teens and young adults, grow in faith daily, in a way that feels natural on their phone. We'd love your feedback. What feels most valuable? What would you want to see next? Thanks for checking us out, and if you give it a try, let us know what you think. Hey Product Hunt community, I'm Ravi, the creator of Dev Diary. As a developer myself, I've always struggled to keep track of my coding journey, solutions to problems I've encountered, and the valuable lessons learned along the way. That's why I built DevDiary.me, a dedicated journaling tool that helps developers document their technical growth and achievements. This is my debut product as a part-time, hopefully future full-time, indie maker. The basic idea behind DevDiary.me is to document the software development lifecycle of feature/milestone/product without manually having to do anything. It directly plugs into your repositories and builds you work history. You may also want to check articles on DevDiary blog to understand how having a detailed work history can be useful. For now, it tracks only some very essential events, activities, and workflows, but I will keep building upon them to have as much information as possible. Also, DevDiary.me doesn't touch any of your code. This has been a priority for now due to security and privacy reasons. Key features: GitHub integration to track your commits and project progress, smart tagging system for easy knowledge retrieval, generate stand-up style daily/weekly/monthly summaries. DevDiary is perfect for individual developers tracking their learning and development journey, tech teams sharing knowledge and solutions, indie makers building and documenting their side projects, tech entrepreneurs tracking product development milestones, open source contributors maintaining project. Note's current launch is still an early release, looking to validate the product, gather feedback, and understand user sentiment and behavior. Product will have bugs, broken workflows, etc. So please be understanding. I will without a doubt resolve them as soon as humanly possible. I'd love to hear your feedback on how we can make DevDiary even better for the developer community, be it positive or negative. What features would you like to see? How could we improve your experience? All feedback is essential, no matter how big or small, whether about UI, user experience, integrations, or workflows, whether criticisms or praise, especially criticisms. Main purpose of this launch is to understand what to build from now onwards. I want to build it how you all like it or want it. So please do share your feedback even if you don't want to use DevDiary. You can comment below or use DevDiary's feedback board. You will not be able to enjoy full benefits of DevDiary.me by using it for a few hours or a couple of days, as it builds upon your activities after integration with your Git repositories. This launch comes with 14-day trial to let enjoy all the features and updates. Please use all of it to be able to truly understand and enjoy the benefits of a developer journal. If you feel you want to test it out for some more time and that you feel there is potential to it, please drop a message on our contact form or email. I would be very happy to extend your trial further. If you feel you would like to keep using DevDiary.me and would like to actively support future development, I am also doing a special launch offer for first 100 product hunters. I would be welcoming you to our special Founders Plan, where you would be involved in every step of DevDiary.me's growth. There will also be a lot of additional benefits which will be revealed in due time. Get 50% off our Founders Plan for the first year. Just use code PRODUCTHINT at checkout. Thank you for checking out DevDiary.me. Let's make developer journaling more efficient and enjoyable together. Excited to launch Branvia. We built it to help small brands easily create professional product images using AI. Upload a photo and get multiple style variations in minutes. No design skills needed. Would love to hear what styles or features you'd like to see next. Hey hunters, excited to share SEO Monitoro, a platform for SEO monitoring of all your websites on one screen. Track real organic traffic from Google and keep an eye on your site's availability. Track impressions and clicks from Google. Monitor your website's uptime. Track performance of your target keywords. Find low-click pages and queries. Generate useful SEO reports. Perfect for agencies and indie hackers managing multiple websites who want to stay in control. 70% off the first month on standard and advanced plans today only with promo code HUNT. We built Loki to help teams move faster, think clearer, and get more done without the friction of jumping between tools. What sets us apart is our ability to connect all your essential apps in a single, intelligent prompt. Whether you're planning, writing, scheduling, or following up, Loki adapts to your thinking style with flexible modes, while keeping your data safe with enterprise-grade encryption. It already works beautifully, and we're just getting started. Powerful automations are coming next, and we can't wait to show you what's possible. Hey Product Hunt, I'm Branvia, solo founder of TailorMails. I'll be honest, I built this because I was failing at cold emails myself. Every time I reached out to investors, potential customers, or even collaborations, my emails were either ignored or landed in spam. I tried templates. I tried writing long late-night drafts, but it always felt robotic. The worst part? Even when I spent an hour personalizing, replies were close to zero. That frustration is what led to TailorMails. The problem I face: cold emails are hard. Asterisk if you use templates they look spammy. Asterisk if you personalize it takes forever. Asterisk, and even after all that, you don't know if the person even read it. How I tried to fix it: TailorMails. I wanted something that could asterisk actually read someone's LinkedIn profile and pull context. Asterisk write like me, not like a bot. Asterisk suggest icebreakers that don't sound fake. Asterisk auto track opens and replies so I know what's working. Asterisk and save me from spending nights rewriting the same lines 20 different ways. That's what TailorMails does today. What it helps with: personalization that doesn't feel copy-paste, emails in your tone and style, icebreakers that start conversations, open and reply tracking works at scale, CSV import, 50+ leads at once, automated campaigns plus follow UPS. I know there are already tools in this space, but TailorMails is built from the perspective of a solo founder who just wanted people to reply without sounding like a robot. Would love to hear your thoughts, whether it's the product, the UX, or the actual emails it generates. Your feedback means a lot. Try it free. https://tailormails.dev. Hey PH, Gary here, solo builder of speech 2 type. I built this because I was constantly chatting with AI tools, Claude Code, Cursor, etc., and got tired of typing long instructions by hand. I just wanted to speak my thoughts quickly and have them appear instantly in the input box. No copy-paste, no window switching. So I made Speech 2 Type. NPMI, G Speech 2 Type. Why it's useful: real-time transcription. Words appear as you speak. Works everywhere. Claude Code, Cursor, Slack, any Mac app with text input. Inline typing. Text goes exactly where your cursor is, completely free. Open source plus free DeepGram API tier. 40+ languages. English, Spanish, French, German, Japanese, Chinese, and more. Would love your feedback, especially from fellow vibe coders. Thanks for checking it out. Gary. Hey hunters, I built this website for couples, and it works really simply. You fill in your details, you receive a QR code to your page by email, you make your girlfriend happy. I think it turned out pretty good. The page is photos, a countdown timer, a message, and music, all in a simple and minimalistic style. Give me suggestions on what I could improve, and that's it. Wish me luck, Fazendero. I built SlideStorm after being frustrated with how long it took to create slideshows for TikTok. Even when using AI tools like ChatGPT to generate images and captions, SlideStorm does everything at once and combines them to create a full slideshow from a single prompt. Captions, including a mention of your product. Images, AI-generated or from a collection. Hashtags, then you can use the editor to review and tweak any aspect of the slideshow before posting. You can then upload directly to your linked TikTok account to post your slideshow. That it's made for anyone who wants to promote their product or service on TikTok without the hassle of manually creating TikTok content. That I hope you guys find it useful. Any feedback or questions, let me know. Excited to finally share SimpleMarketing. Built it to help indie founders and small startups promote their projects on Reddit without the usual stress and guesswork. Would love to hear your thoughts and feedback. Hi Product Hunt. I'm Ayan, and I built this little Chrome extension. It's literally just a button next to every ChatGPT response that saves it for you. I found I was constantly copy-pasting ChatGPT responses into a Google/Notion doc so that I could revisit them later, and I thought there had to be a better way to do it. Thus, over the weekend, I built SaveChat. Clearly, I did not spend enough time on the name, haha. I've been trying to build cool indie products for months now, and coincidentally, this was the only one that I ended up using a lot. Here are the current features. Save ChatGPT responses with one click. Quickly copy the most recently saved response from the pop-up menu. Revisit and filter through all your previously saved responses. Export. It's also available for Firefox. This was a feature my mom wanted, lol. Some upcoming features. Multi-account support, tags or folders. Save the prompt as well anyways. If you've got any questions, bugs, or feature requests, drop them down here and I'll get to it ASAP. Thanks. MCP Stack curates the best MCP servers from across the ecosystem, making it easy for developers and AI enthusiasts to discover and implement powerful integrations. Whether you're looking to connect Claude to databases, APIs, cloud services, or specialized tools, MCP Stack has you covered.